All right, guys, this video is for those of you who are on Simple Coin, right? Simple Coin. And if you are not yet on it, you are missing a lot, because I already made a video concerning this Simple Tap, where in that video I talked about 10 top projects or airdrops you shouldn't joke with, because they are not just meme coins, right? Some of them are projects from existing exchanges, and Simple Coin is gonna be one of them. And of course, you know what that means. If it's eventually over, is going to be the native token of that particular exchange. So in this video I want to quickly show you how you can increase your earning, okay, your earning per hour on Simple Tap. And it's pretty simple, and we have new features on it, actually, like this wheel of future, where you can spin to earn, right? But aside that, if you look very well, you will notice that my tap limit is 33,000 taps. And then if you look here, this is my earning, okay, per hour, which of course, you know, the farming of Simple Coin is 8 hours. So in 8 hours, every 8 hours, I'm going to be earning this, because that is what I have actually optimized it and boosted it to be, right? This and this wasn't there before. And if I tap, you are going to see that my tap is on the high side. Look at it, 66, right? Most of you are 1, 2, 3, but this is 66. It's because I've actually optimized it. How did I do it? You know, they included a boost session where you can purchase cards, right? Just like Hamster Combat, and of course, like every other this thing that uses such feature, right? So if you look very well, you are gonna see, sorry, if we click that boost, let's go back to the home page. This is where I'm gonna click. If you click there, you are going to see that this is my earn per hour. Every hour I will be earning 2,858.83 Simple Coin, right? And then this is my tap limit. Before you're able to get to this level, or to this level, you must have spent, if not millions or several hundred thousands of SMPL coin that you have accumulated. Now, if you see, you're going to see Simple Coins Invest Academy. Now, these are tabs that educate you on certain crypto terminologies or crypto terms, as the case may be, right, or words. So these two, this Simple and Coin, okay, Simple and Academy, increases your tap limit, while Coins and Invest increases your coins per hour, that is your profit per hour. Let me repeat it again. Simple and Academy, any card you upgrade under Simple and under Academy tab will increase this, but any card you upgrade under Coins and Invest will increase this. Now both of them are needed, right? When you have higher tap limit, as you are tapping, you are earning coins. And of course, when you have this, right, higher this, at the expiration of 8 hours is going to be multiple of what you have here, because this is per hour, right? So let me just show you. But then when you open each of these cards, okay, like for instance, we're going to start with Simple. This is custodian wallet, right? You can see that I've upgraded almost all my cards to higher level, right? And to upgrade this one, I need 3,400 Simple Coin that is going to be deducted from here, okay? So now if I click on any of them, for instance, if I click this, I will know what, tap amount, what tap quantity that is going to be added to this. Then I would know if it is profitable or not profitable, because all these cards under Simple does not give you the same number of tap. Likewise, if you go to Coin, all the cards, let's click on Coin, all the cards under Coin does not give you the same number of profit per hour or coins per hour. So you are going to be selective on the ones that will give you either higher tap or higher profit per hour. Now let's start with Simple Tap. Okay, now if you click on custodian wallet, you are going to see that when you upgrade it, you are going to pay you're going to spend 3,400, and that 3,400 will add additional 100 taps, okay? to the tap limit you have accumulated already, right? Now let's just use this as example. Now look at what I have here, 33,000 tap limit. That's my tap limit. Now if I obtain this, now it's going to add to this. It's going to be 33,100. Okay, you see that this one is supposed to add 100 additional 100 taps. Now if we check this, you see this is 4,000. The price to acquire this or to upgrade this to the next level now, which is level 11, right? All of them started with 0 level. I upgraded to this level. If I click on this, 4,400 is what I'm going to spend. But let's see what is going to add to us. You see, it's going to add 150 additional 150 taps. Okay, so you just check them out and know the one that is much more profitable. If we touch this, you are going to see this one is going to add 300. So spot trading is extremely profitable. I think the highest is 500, right? But let me quickly tell you the ones that are very profitable. Custodian wallet under Simple is very profitable. It's going to add more taps, and then spot trading is going to add as well, right? And which other one? Margin trading is going to add 300. Yes, I know. Then referral program is going to also add 250. So all the cards here, okay, the one that is less profitable is OTC, over the counter, is just going to add additional 5. Meanwhile, look at the price. Look at the price. So you see the difference now. 48,000. That's what we're going to spend to upgrade it to the next level. But then the profit is very extremely small. You see, only 5 additional tab. So in other words, only 5 SMPL. So this is not as profitable as these ones. Now let's check this P2P. I think P2P is not also that profitable. Okay, it is profitable. So under simple, it's only OTC that is not profitable. Others are extremely profitable. Now let's go to Academy, which also adds to this. If you go to Academy, you are going to see all the cards under Academy. You have non-custodial wallets under Academy. You have decentralized exchange. So you are just going to be opening them one by one and see the one that is more profitable. You see that this is non-custodial wallet. It adds 100 additional 100 taps. Then decentralized exchange, it adds additional 100 taps. Now another thing is that each card you open, you are going to see a detailed, concise explanation of what that term means. So it's actually educational as well. So you're just going to check them out, and then you see the one that is more profitable. You upgrade those ones. Remember, the target is to upgrade to at least 10 level. Now whatever coin you spend in upgrading is just a matter of 2 to 3 days. You have made it back, because you are going to be earning high. So that is for these two tabs, Simple and Academy, that adds to this. Then if you go to the tabs that adds to your profit per hour, which is coins and invest, let's start with coins first. Now you're also going to repeat the same thing. Blockchain, we have Bitcoin, stable coins and all that. So there are some that gives you extremely high profit per hour, like I think Cardano. Yes, Cardano gives 13. Okay, but I've upgraded to level 9. And if I'm to upgrade it to the next level, I'm going to spend 8,200 SMPL. So and I think Polkadot gives you 14, right? But I'm looking for the ones that are extremely profitable. I think Bitcoin Cash gives you 12. So that's how you do it. Avalanche also gives you a high, which is 16. As you can see, gives you 16. And I think Ton also gives you a high, which is 30. Yes, 30. I hope you are seeing it. Then Cosmos also gives you high, 18. Yes. So you just check them out. Solana gives high as well. Solana gives high, 16. So you check them out. That's how you keep. Binance Smart Chain gives 10, right? So you check them out, and that's how you do it. Then you go to invest. You are going to be upgrading all, open all, upgrade all. You'll be seeing the condition. Anyone that is locked, definitely, just like Hamster Combat, you will look beneath the card like this, to see somewhere around here, to see the condition for you to unlock it. It might be a redirection to another card that you need to open, maybe in a different tab, and then you upgrade that one before you come back and upgrade the one that you want to upgrade. That's how you do it. So when you go to invest, you see the same thing. You are going to be checking out crypto mining gives high, okay, gives high, adds high this to this. So let's just check it. No, it doesn't. Crypto mining doesn't, but I think n, yes, n n n gives 5. Yes, staking gives 20. Yes, I'm sure of that one. Staking. Then liquid mining, non-fungible token, just check them out and then you will see what it gives. Yes, liquid mining gives high, 40. So you must, this is a must upgrade one. You must upgrade this liquid mining. And non-fungible token gives the highest. Non-fungible token, NFT, gives the highest. Okay. And also yield farming. So this 1 2 3 1 2 3 yield farming, liquidity mining, and non-fungible token gives highest. Okay, so that's pretty how much you can upgrade it and you have high earnings. So let me just receive my earn per hour. Remember, it's every 8 hours. And this tap, if you have upgraded to high level and your tap is like 60 something like mine, it will take me just few, not even up to a minute, and I will exhaust this tap and I will have additional 32,000 added to this. Let me just receive or collect what I've earned for today and then resume another this thing. Now take a look at, by this, just not up to a minute, and I will finish it. So many thanks for watching, and if you have further question, any question or concern, do well to leave it in the comment section or DM me, ask me, and I'll be there to guide you. Right, stay tuned. If you have not joined, also check in the description box on in the comment section. You're going to see a link that you will use to sign up with this. Now this particular airdrop has an app, right? This is it. Simple app. Yeah, this is it. Simple. So you are going to sign up and then you download the app and do your KYC. Like I said, it's not just a meme coin, right? So that's it for today.